Today we're going to install a new battery on this 2015 Nissan Altima. Alright, there is the battery part number. Next, what we're going to do is, using both hands, drop in the battery, move these terminals over to the side so you can fit the battery in there. Alright, once you have the battery in there, there is a clamp down here we'll bring up, and we have the other clamp right here. So we'll strap down the battery first, and just so you can see where the clamps go, one goes right in here, there's a hole for it. Then this one here goes down in there, and it just turns. Sweet. Alright, and we'll sit down the clamp and we'll pull this up as we thread in the nut. That way it holds it into place and it does not come out from the bottom. Then we'll do the same thing with the other side. You can actually scoot the battery a little bit more to give us a little bit more room. It's a little dark down there, but you'll be able to figure it out. Alright, got the light on. You can see it down there. Then we'll just hold it up. Thread the nut down so it holds it into place. There we have it. Just give those a nice little snug for now. There is a bolt that's going to go right in here, and we'll put that into place. These will all be 10 millimeters to tighten up, and we'll secure this down. Alright, there is the first one. Now we'll tighten these down. This will also be a 10 millimeter socket. Perfect. Battery is nice and secured. We'll first start off with the positive terminal. We'll remove this cover from here. Then we'll put on that battery clamp into place. Alright, and we'll put in the positive terminal in. We'll secure that with the same 10 millimeter socket. Alright, then we'll put this cover back into place, just like so. We'll put in the negative terminal, and we'll secure this one down with the same 10 millimeter. Alright, and there you have it. That is how you install a new battery on this 2015 Nissan Altima. Let's go ahead and fire it up. The reason I swapped out this battery is because the battery was completely dead, was not working, and now it is. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.